What if I told you a day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Earth? Mind blown. Imagine living on a planet where the concept of a day is so drastically different from what we experience here on Earth. It's almost like stepping into a science fiction novel, but it's real. Let's start with Venus. Venus spins so slowly that one day there is longer than a whole year. Yes, you heard that right. A single day on Venus from one sunrise to the next takes longer than an entire trip around the sun. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate once. Imagine waking up to a sunrise that takes 117 Earth days to arrive. That's almost 4 months of waiting for the sun to rise. That's a long snooze button. You could hit snooze and still have months before you need to get up. But wait, it gets crazier. Venus rotates backwards compared to Earth, so the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. A sunset on Venus isn't just an event, it's an experience that lasts for weeks. Imagine watching the sky change colors for weeks on end, a slow, mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. Now, let's zip around our solar system. On Mars, a day is just over 24 hours, almost like Earth. This similarity makes Mars one of the most Earth-like planets in terms of daily rhythm, but on Jupiter, a day is a speedy 10 hours. Saturn? Similar story at about 10.7 hours. Imagine how fast a day would fly by. Every planet has its own unique rhythm, and it makes us wonder, what really is time? Is it just a construct we've created to make sense of our lives, or is it something more universal? On Earth we measure it by clocks and calendars, but out there it's a whole different game. The way we experience time is deeply tied to our planet's rotation and orbit. So next time you check the time, think about Venus's 117 Earth day sunrise, and let your mind wander through the cosmos. Stay curious, space explorers. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And time is just one of the many mysteries that make our journey through space so fascinating.